Hey, I'm Brian Gary from The American Builder. Tonight I got my buddy Robert with me. Robert, you've seen him on the show before. Everything always comes out perfect in your world.
Usually. Except today.
Not today. We're in a car wash. This one actually has its equipment still standing. 2 bays over. Sort of, I don't know why I'm laughing. I think it's humorous. Some jackass sort of missed the 8 signs that you have outside there saying something about the height.
About a week and a half ago, a truck came through, didn't see the 8 signs that we have limiting the height of the vehicle, decided to pull in, hit the equipment with his ladder rack in his van. But the interesting part was when he hit the equipment, he didn't decide to stop and get out of the vehicle.
No.
He decided to exit the wash with the equipment sitting on his roof.
Nice.
And until he hit the exit,
Yeah.
where the equipment fell down and smashed his windshield,
Almost killed him.
he was trying to go home.
Yeah, oh no, he was taken off. So 2 bays over, it doesn't look like this. It's completely gutted out. There's a tractor trailer backing in right now. And how many days to snap this back together?
It's going to be about a week.
Love to be his insurance company. Hey, what's canceled? What's that mean? Let's go on and see them unload that thing. So we just unloaded some pretty heavy equipment. I got Jeff from New England Car Wash Equipment. Jeff, pretty serious stuff here. What?
Absolutely, yeah. This is a new laser wash from PDQ Manufacturing, and they're really the leader in touch-free in-bay automatic car wash equipment. So these are pieces of equipment that will wash a car with no employees, and these types of washes are typically open 24 hours a day. The advantage of this wash is nothing touches the car, and it's a very open, inviting environment. So if you actually look at the bay, you can look right through. You don't even know there's a car wash there.
Right.
This machine sits up above the car. Customer will pull into one of these tellers, pay with a credit card, pay with cash. The car wash will prompt them to drive in. They drive in. There's nothing on the ground for them to align their vehicle in, so you don't have to line up your tire into a certain track or anything. Tells the vehicle to stop. Car wash goes back and forth over the car, washes the car, dries the car, and then tells the customer to leave. So it's a very easy, convenient thing for the customer.
I'd say it's stupid proof, but the guy ripped the thing off the wall here,
Yeah.
so it's not like stupid proof. You can be stupid about it. You're replacing the reels and everything. What goes first?
Yeah, well, basically there's 3 major components to what we're going to do. The first thing is this is the wash assembly right here, which is what we call the bridge and the dryer. In this unit, it's actually one unit. The old unit had a bridge that washed the car.
Right.
The dryer was at the end. Once it washed the car, it actually went and magnetically picked up the dryer and then went back and forth with both of the vehicle. In this machine, the dryer is part of the bridge, so it's always together, so to
One
speak.
unit.
So we got this. We got the rails that this unit basically hangs from, runs up and down the bay. And then we've what's called a pump station, which is what's in the back room, which is all the pumps that feed the water and the soap out to the bridge through all the hoses and everything, through an E-chain that runs along the rails. So with this particular unit, it was actually made to replace that unit. That unit was called the Laser Wash 4000. This is just the laser wash. So we can reuse the wall mount brackets that actually hold up the rails, but we can't reuse the rails. So,
Okay.
So those are big brackets lagged through the walls.
Yeah, I saw that.
The rails are hanging from.
And then these things just go on each side for this thing to slide back and forth from.
Yeah, their first step
Thousands
is
of times a day.
Yep,
Yeah.
thousands of times a day. So their first step is to remove the old rails.
Right.
Then they'll put these rails up. We'll get the forklift, uncrate this, bring it up, put it up on the rails, put the pump station in place in the back room, and then start wiring everything up. I mean, there's a lot of wiring to do. So typically what happens is at the end of the first or second day, it looks like a done car wash because we've got the rails
It's
up
all
and the
up
bridge
there.
up
Okay.
and the pump station in place, but it's far from over at that point.
So you're really hoping to get these rails up and this off the ground today?
Probably
Day one. The rest
not
of it's
probably
no.
not today. Probably by tomorrow we would
Okay.
hope to have that. But we're working on an old piece of equipment here. It's like working on a '69 Camaro. I mean, I can tell you how I think it's going to go, but a couple of those bolts don't come off. We got to
Right.
start cutting things, and it
Yeah,
takes a lot
yeah.
longer.
Welcome to my world, right?
Yep, exactly.
We do it right because we do it twice, right?
Yep,
Yeah.
yep,
We'll
yep.
put that right on the side here if you want to.
Sure, not a problem.